हेलो, दिस इज सुबोध सर। सो इंडिया में बार काउंसिल के द्वारा 2 लॉ कोर्सेज की रिकग्निशन है। यू हैव 5 ईयर कोर्स एंड यू हैव 3 ईयर कोर्स। ना जो 5 ईयर एलबी कोर्स है ये 10+2 के बाद अवेलेबल है, और जो 3 ईयर एलबी कोर्स है वो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद अवेलेबल है। ये दोनों लॉ कोर्स नेमली 5 ईयर कोर्स और 3 ईयर कोर्स बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा रिकग्नाइज्ड है। नाउ ग्रेजुएशन के बाद भी आप 3 ईयर लॉ कोर्स करके जुडिशियल एग्जाम में बैठ सकते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट फॉर्म्स में काम कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। जो ऑप्शन आपको 5 ईयर एलबी कोर्स करने के बाद अवेलेबल है वो सारे ऑप्शन आपको 3 ईयर एलबी कोर्स करने के बाद भी अवेलेबल है। नाउ हियर आई हैव विथ मी सांभवी शिवा। She has done her graduation this year itself, right?
Yes, sir.
So इन्होंने इसी साल अपनी ग्रेजुएशन की है, and by doing her graduation, she always wanted, after graduation, she always wanted to do 3 year law course, and you must be surprised to know कि ये इस साल ग्रेजुएशन करके ही जितनी लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स की फॉर्म्स फिलअप की हैं, इन्होंने सारे लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स क्रैक कर ली है। इन्होंने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की फॉर्म भरी थी, BHU, महाराष्ट्र सीटी, भारतीय विद्यापीठ, इन्होंने सारी एग्जाम्स क्रैक कर ली हैं, इंक्लूडिंग द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी। कुछ ही दिन पहले दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी 3 ईयर एलबी एंट्रेंस की रिजल्ट आई है और इन्होंने ऑल इंडिया लेवल पर 72 रैंक हासिल किया है, एंड शी हैज सिक्योर्ड 248 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 400। नाउ सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड रैंक, and now her dream to do law after graduation, now that has become true. Her dream has come true. So congratulations on your grand success.
Thank you, sir.
So you always wanted to do 3 year law course.
Yes, sir.
And keeping that in mind, आपने इस इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन किया था.
Yes, sir.
And this institute prepared you for 3 year LLB entrance exam.
Yes, sir.
Now आपने बहुत सारी एग्जाम्स क्रैक कर ली हैं.
Yes, sir.
आप उतनी एग्जाम्स BHU, DU, महाराष्ट्र सीटी, भारतीय विद्यापीठ, सारी लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स आपने क्रैक कर ली हैं,
Yes.
इंक्लूडिंग द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी। इतने सारे लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स में सफलता पाने के बाद आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
Sir, literally speaking, I'm feeling so excited,
Okay.
happy. I'm really excited to enter in a new era of LLB.
That's very nice. So may God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
And may you maintain this tempo and spirit in the days to come.
Yes, sir.
So that whatever you want to do, that you will reveal very soon. After law course, may God bless you to achieve that, to accomplish that dream, which will always be very good for you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, because you have cracked Delhi University law entrance exam, which is not so easy to crack,
Yes, sir.
and you have got 72 rank all India,
Yes.
so it's very suitable time. प्लीज जो लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, भविष्य में प्रिपेयर करेंगे, उनको आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के पैटर्न से प्लीज अवेयर कराएं।
So the pattern of Delhi University exam is not specific.
Right.
There are not different sections like other exams,
Right.
like maths, English.
Right. It's all mixed,
yes,
right?
sir, it's all mixed.
Right.
They each question carry 4 marks, and there
Right.
is 1 negative marking for each wrong
answer,
answers.
right.
Yes, sir. So maybe first question is of GK, second
Right.
question is of maths.
Right.
So we cannot say the specific amount of question.
It's mixed.
Yes, it's mixed, sir.
They do not have division,
Yes,
right?
sir. No, sir.
Right?
Not
for
at all.
law 10 marks,
Yes,
for
sir. Yes,
reasoning
sir.
20 marks.
Yes, sir.
Division, they don't have division for
No,
that.
sir.
Like you have in 5 year LLB entrance exam,
Yes,
you have
yes.
division.
Yes, sir.
So Delhi University में she is saying कि there are 100 questions. One question carries 4 marks.
Yes, sir.
And if you answer one question wrongly, you lose 1 mark.
marks, yes,
एक
sir.
मार्क आप खो देंगे, और अगर एक क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब देते हैं तो आपको 4 मार्क मिलेगा। और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में 100 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, लॉ, इंग्लिश, जीके, मैथ्स, रीजनिंग, किस सेक्शन से कितने क्वेश्चंस आएंगे ये फिक्स नहीं है, लेकिन ये सारे खंड से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं,
Yes,
राइट?
combined questions
So
आते
in
हैं।
that way you have to give equal weightage to all the sections.
Yes, sir.
And you have to be expert in all the sections,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sir, and especially in constitution part, you have to give your more time, because
Okay.
they ask more questions from constitution part, and they are not direct question, they are twisted question
Okay,
every
very
time.
good, very good. So how do you find role of current affairs in GK?
So I found current affairs so much important, because sir, when I was preparing when I have started for the preparation,
Right.
so I was so afraid of current affairs, but
Right.
slowly when I made it a habit to read newspapers, to watch videos, and make myself updated about the current happening of
Right.
the world.
Right.
So what happened? Though Delhi University not asked so many current affairs, there were hardly 9 to 7 questions, 7 to 9 questions of current
Right.
affairs.
Right.
But sir, what happens when we study current affairs? We gather a lot of knowledge.
Right.
By this, we build up confidence, and when we study current affairs, we can easily correlate those current affairs with static GK.
Very
And
good.
static GK plays a very important role in each and every entrance exam,
Okay.
whether it is DU, UPSC, and judiciary exam, in every exam.
Okay, so she is saying that आप जब करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ते हैं तो आप करंट अफेयर्स आइसोलेशन में नहीं पढ़ सकते
Yes,
हैं।
sir. Yes, sir.
आपको करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ के आपको उसका जो पास्ट है उससे आपको कनेक्शन स्टैब्लिश करना पड़ेगा और देखना पड़ेगा कि इसका स्टैटिक जीके से कहाँ कनेक्शन है। सो इसका मतलब हुआ जीके और करंट अफेयर्स में अच्छे मार्क्स लाने के लिए आपका बिगनिंग और एंड तक जो भी उसमें हैपनिंग डेवलपमेंट है, यू हैव टू बी very much updated with that,
Yes,
right?
sir. And you
Then
have to be
only.
regular also.
Regular. So you have to be very regular, and you have to see that you master everything thoroughly, and you go very deep into it to answer the questions. That's very nice.
Yes.
So that is a very good experience that you have shared with the aspirant.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now, what do you want to do after doing your 3 LLB course?
Sir,
What is your dream?
judiciary.
Okay,
Sir, I
so
have to
she
go for
wants to go in
judiciary
judiciary, and after doing 3 LLB course, she wants to prepare for judicial exam. So have you started preparing for
Yes,
that?
sir.
Okay.
A little bit I have started. I
Okay,
have
very
started.
nice.
I have borrowed all the bare acts and
Okay.
started to understand that.
Very nice, very nice. So when you joined this coaching a year ago, because you did 1 year course in this coaching,
Yes, sir.
and by the time it came to give the exam,
Yes, sir.
आप जब आई थी, जब एग्जाम देना शुरू की, जब एग्जाम में बैठी, सफलता आपको मिला, तो कैसा रहा आपको इस कोचिंग का जर्नी का अनुभव?
Sir, frankly speaking, when I came here, so I was underconfident,
Okay.
literally, because I have also appeared for CLAT and I haven't scored a good marks in that, and I was so underconfident. But slowly, when I started studying, made me regular, and I have decided I have to be honest for myself,
Right.
with myself,
Right.
and continue. And especially I also give the credit to the lockdown. I got so many time to be at home and study, and sir, slowly I have developed my confidence in every field. I developed my confidence, and sir, when I cracked Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, sir, it's just boosted up my confidence.
Right, very
Literally,
good.
I felt that yes, sir, I can do it. And sir, every time you were there, I always used to call you, ask different type of questions, and especially that discussion in the class
Right.
also helped me a lot. And my parents believe that I can do it. So
Okay, so that's a very good thing. Her teacher and her parents, both of them, they believed that she can do that. So this brings us to the topic, जो क्लास में मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर
Yes,
होता
sir.
था.
Yes, sir.
Was that of immense help to you?
yes, sir, every time. Sir, when I answer a little question also, you are like, very good, very good. That makes me very happy, very confident, and every time it motivate me to participate in the class discussion, interact with you, ask different question. What I have started, I started to search different type of question, make a note, and I always ask you, sir, I have this question, I will come tomorrow, and we will discuss I will discuss it with you. So sir, motivational lecture that you have given me was very much helpful, sir.
Okay, so listening to her, we can make out that we can learn something from her, that it is the role of elders, teachers, parents, that consistently they should keep on motivating their words, and that will bring laurels one day. In that there is no doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
So even if somebody is very weak in studies, he must be motivated, and that motivation will one day 100% it will face a result.
Yes.
Now, last but not the least, what message you want to give to those candidates who are preparing for Delhi law entrance exam and other law entrance exams in India? Should they have in-depth study, or they should study from some kind of sub-standard notes which are available in the market, or they should go for in-depth study, and they should seek some kind of guidance from some expert, like you took guidance from this coaching.
Yes,
so what do you want to advise to future aspirant on this is?
So I want to say that quantity study doesn't matter.
Right.
Quality studies matter.
Right.
So I was preparing for DU LLB from January 2021.
Right.
And so from there, I haven't completed all the syllabus, but I touched all those parts.
Important topics.
Yes, sir. All those
Which
important
were
topics.
told by the teachers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Which was specially told by you. So the notes you used to send on the WhatsApp,
Right.
those GK, those static GK. So मैंने उस चीज़ को every day follow किया और मैंने उसको याद किया कि मैंने उसको छोड़ा नहीं कि let it be, I'll see it later on. The day you say that tomorrow will be the test means test.
Yes.
The thing is कि you have to be regular.
Right.
And don't afraid from any exam.
Right.
Don't think I can do it or not. Think about your study. You only have to complete your syllabus.
Right.
That's it. When you will complete your syllabus, you can do it.
Very
It's
nice.
as simple as that.
Very nice.
And DU exam is little bit twisted. Every time they find a new pattern, we cannot analyze any specific pattern for DU examinations. So, and they ask twisted question. They never ask who is the president of India.
India, right.
Yes, sir. They always the question, see, answer is same, but they will twist
Little
that
twisted
question.
in
Yes,
nature.
sir.
You will always
Yes, sir.
know that thing very thoroughly.
Yes,
you
sir.
won't be able to answer. You'll get confused.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I will advise all the DU aspirant to practice past question papers.
Okay.
It will help them to analyze that sense to find out the correct answers.
Very nice. So जो टेस्ट सीरीज आपको
Yes,
कोचिंग
sir.
के द्वारा दिया
Yes,
गया,
sir. That
was
was
that
very
was that of any help?
Yes, sir. That was very helpful.
Did that help you in understanding the pattern?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you advise aspirants to take as many test series as possible.
Yes, sir.
And that will pave the way for success, right?
Yes, sir. And be sincere towards the current affairs. Make everyday note and
Right.
keep it revising. Not let it go that मैंने लिख लिया तो हो गया. Keep it revising.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सो इन्होंने टिप्स दिया कि कैसे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन को टैकल किया जाए और कैसे उसमें सफलता पाया जाए. सो जो सफल कैंडिडेट होते हैं उनकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ थी, क्या वीकनेस थी, इसका अनुभव होता है और वो बता सकते हैं कि मैं इस क्षेत्र में और थोड़ा सा मजबूत होता तो मैं और अच्छा रैंक लाता. तो उनका हमेशा एक्सपीरियंस लेकर जो एस्पायरिंग कैंडिडेट हैं उनको उसका लाभ उठाना चाहिए और अच्छे रैंक लाने का प्रयास करना चाहिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस विद फ्यूचर एस्पायरेंट्स. थैंक यू सो मच. मे लॉर्ड ब्लेस यू टू अचीव your aim that you have made up in your mind, and may God bless you in your future endeavors.
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you so much. Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
thank you.